How to recover Xbox account without email. To recover Xbox account without email, first of all, you have to search for your Microsoft username. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice. Then go to the Microsoft account recovery wizard. From there, you simply have to enter the alternate email address or phone number you might have linked to your profile, then click Next. If you don't have those, go to the Xbox Sign In help page and use the automated wizard to search for the account using your Xbox gamer tag. Microsoft will display a masked hint of your email to help you remember it. Now you simply have to access the recover your account form. From there, you will be redirected to the official manual recovery form at live.com. Then provide a contact email and fill out the form and supply definitive proof of Xbox ownership and submit and wait for the review for 2 to 24 hours. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.